Hello everyone. We are part of the SPARCS project, in which innovative smart city solutions in the field of energy-positive districts are implemented and the advantages of the digitalization are used. Today, we're taking you on a journey through a virtual power plant that will play a key role in the energy supply of the future. A virtual power plant consists of a large number of decentralized energy producers and consumers. These can be photovoltaic systems, wind turbines, small or large power plants, heat pumps or battery storage systems. The electricity generated by these systems is intelligently controlled and can be offered on the market in line with demand. This enables system operators and energy consumers to optimize energy generation and consumption. A virtual power plant therefore connects thousands of systems, devices, and sensors. All these systems are connected to a digital platform. This is where all the information is bundled in order to make optimum use of capacities and precisely match the energy supply to demand. This may sound like a dream of the future, but it's not. We have already established an innovative virtual power plant for Leipzig. In addition to the direct connections, many plants are also only integrated virtually. For example, the battery storage farm at the BMW plant in Leipzig or the generation facilities at the historic cotton mill are used to calculate the flexibility potential and its value. Our 500 charging stations for electric cars are also part of this network. They play a crucial role in efficiently balancing supply and demand for electricity. The use of virtual power plants also facilitates the integration of renewable energies. They enable a stable and efficient power supply, even when the sun is not shining or the wind is not blowing. By integrating more renewable energy sources, such as our solar thermal system, we are preparing for a sustainable future. Leipziger Stadtwerke's virtual power plant is more than just a technology. It's an intelligent system that is helping to shape the future of energy in Leipzig.